Do you want to install or upgrade to Windows 11? I don't know where to start. Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to download the official Windows 11 ISO and create a bootable USB drive so you can install Windows 11 on any PC or laptop. And don't worry, it's super cool. You don't need to be a tech expert to follow along. So watch this video to the end and don't skip any step, else you will miss it. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC. And let's head over to Microsoft official website. Type in Windows 11. Windows 11. Type in Windows 11. Download. So the first link, this one is the official Microsoft website. Don't download for any other third-party websites for the sake of malware. Download this from official Microsoft website. So this is the official Microsoft website. You click on it, it will bring you here. It said download Windows 11. Windows 11 2025 update version 25H2. So this one is the current Windows 11. You scroll down and you select create Windows 11 installation media. You click on this one, download now. It will start to download. So after the download or that finish downloading, so go to your download, you go to close this tab, you go to where it was saved, and download, you can find it here. So this is the thing I downloaded. So the next step is that you need your pen drive, your working pen drive, and the pen drive must be at least 16 gigabytes. So you insert the pen drive into your PC. So I have already inserted my pen drive onto my PC. Then you click on the media creation tools. You run it as administrator. You wait for a while. So here is it. You wait for it to come. Here you accept the terms and conditions. So here you can uncheck this box and come here and choose the language that you want. Yeah, you can choose the language that you want. So me, I've chosen English, United States. So you too, you can choose any language that you want, that you prefer. Then here it's already on Windows 11. Then click on next. Here you select USB flash drive. You select. If you inserted your pen drive, the system will automatically get your pen drive. So mine is here. Then you select next. So let's wait for it. It will start to download, and the fastness of the download depends on your internet speed. So let's wait for it to finish downloading.